Hello, my name is Cristian Valencia. Travel guide to visit La Guajira, Colombia. What do? Guajira we can visit a spectacular beach and unique natural environment with the possibility of practice water sport. You will be able to admire magnificent sunsets in Punta Faro and Punta Gallinas, descend through the Taroa Downs, and take a boat trip through the mangroves. You will also be able to see pink flamingos in the middle of the desert and lead more about the daily life on the Wayuu community. Tourist sites: Uribia, Salvador of Manaure, the Pilón de Azúcar, Ojo de Agua and Pilón de Azúcar Beach, Taroa Downs, Bahía Honda and Bahía Hondita, Epirachi Wind Farm, Punta Gallinas Link House. Other places you will pass through: Puerto Estrella, El Medano, La Laguna de los Patos, and different viewpoints. Group style: the best option in this type is Hotel Ace, Palominos Sunrise, El León Félix Palomino, y Casa Juana Palomino are some of the popular hotels in La Guajira. What to eat? The typical foods in the islands de La Guajira: in the fresh mud of what? Fried fish and seafood rich with shrimp. When to go? Is the possibility to travel for months and January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, in December. Thanks for your attention.